Perfect. Yeah, baby!
What's up, guys? I'm your boy Russ Dunn. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out my first trip to Portugal, FARO, Lagos in particular. Such a beautiful city, great time. I'd like for you guys to subscribe to my channel if you could. Also, you can check me out on Instagram, Oh So Cliche. Oh So Cliche, a lot of people get confused. It's just oh so cliche. And of course, tatted passport. Let's just jump right into it. So Portugal, first impressions of the city, I thought it was beautiful. A coastal town, Faro in particular. I had just touched down from London. The city was beautiful, the day was gorgeous. There was some kind of soccer tournament going on. The city I stayed in was in the old town, which was right there in the bay. The thing about Portugal is like, it's just so many beautiful cities. So I definitely want to go back. There's so much to see. Madeira, if I'm saying that right. Porto, Lisbon. There's so many beautiful cities in Portugal. I definitely am going to go back. I drove from Faro to Portimao. It wasn't that far because I rented a Vespa and just shot down the coast. It was beautiful. And Lagos is where pretty much I was with these cliffs.
I just wanted to show off Portugal. Beautiful place. I don't know where we are exactly, but it's just beautiful.
The water was rough. There were signs that said, yo, swim at your own risk. And I was like, yo, I just got up to my knees in the water and I felt how strong it was. Felt how strong the current was. It was trying to suck you out, the Atlantic Ocean. So I liked walking around Faro. It was a small town. It was Gothic, old town. I stumbled on this chapel, IGREJA do CARMO. I'm probably killing that. And then there's a church in the back made of bones and mortars and femurs and skulls. It's crazy. It's beautiful though. Called CAPELA de OSSOS, which is basically bone chapel. I walked in there and just let the camera go. It was very interesting to see all these skulls stuck in the wall, just skeletons all over the place. Super interesting. This small chapel is built of human bones and decorated with a golden skeleton. So it's pretty crazy, but it's one of Faro's biggest attractions. Thanks for watching my first trip to Portugal, Faro, and Lagos. Everyone knows, Portugal's famous for its beaches and Cristiano Ronaldo, but it has a lot more to offer. The food, the people were super nice. Maybe they knew I wasn't staying, I don't know. But I had a great time. Thanks for watching again. Subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and I appreciate it. Thanks.